Lecture 9. Adding music, voiceovers and adjusting audio. If visuals are the backbone of a video, audio is its heartbeat. You might have the most stunning footage, but if the sound is poor, viewers will lose interest quickly. Adding background music, clear voiceovers, and properly adjusted audio levels can make the difference between a video that feels amateur and the one that feels professional. Today we will learn how to bring audio to life in Filmora, whether it's music that sets the mood, a voiceover that explains the story, or volume adjustments that ensure everything sounds balanced. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to import and add background music to your project, record and insert voiceovers directly in Filmora, adjust volume levels, fade in or out audio, and balance soundtracks. Use audio strategically to enhance storytelling. Adding background music. Music is one of the easiest ways to set the tone of your video. Filmora allows you to import your own music files. Use Filmora's built-in royalty-free music library. Place music on the audio track below your video in the timeline. Example: if you're editing a highlight reel of a sports event, adding an upbeat track creates excitement. On the other hand, soft piano music might be perfect for a reflective video essay. To add music, we'll just go to the audio files folder as we have created one. Here we have 3 different audio files, so you can use any of these. For example, you just want to go with this one, so drag it in here and drop it in here. And when you just play this video from the start, here you can see. So these are your levels. It shows that how high the pitch or the music is. Recording and adding voiceovers. Sometimes you need to explain what's happening or guide the audience with narration. Filmora makes this simple. Position the playhead where you want the voiceover to begin. Click the microphone icon on the timeline. For example, you just want voiceover in here, and you just cut this music in here. Delete this part. And if you want the voiceover from here, and you can just click in here to add a voiceover. And here you can see, you will just have to click on that or press Alt+R. Record your narration directly and it will appear as new audio track. Practical example. In a class project on climate change, you could add a voiceover that explains key facts while images and clips play in the background. Adjusting audio levels. Good audio is not just about adding sound, it's about making sure it's balanced. Filmora lets you adjust volume, raise or lower the sound of music, voice or clips. For that, you can just click in here, and here you can see it shows volume, and you can just decrease it. And here you can see it shows that it has been decreasing, and you can just increase the volume as well if you want the higher one. So for now, we'll just keep it to normal. Fade in or out. Smoothly introduce music at the beginning and lower it at the end. For example, when just click in here at the start, and from here you can just fade in for 1 second or 2 seconds as it just shows that, and fade out for 1 second. So when you just play this video, it just increases gradually, and here you can see it is a graph. It shows that there is a fade in and it shows the fade out. Duck audio. Lower background music automatically when a voiceover plays. For example, you can just scroll down a bit, and here you can see it shows audio ducking. But as we don't have a voiceover right here, but if you want this one to implement, you can just turn this on and it will automatically adjust the audio. Mute. Silence unnecessary sounds like background noise in a video clip. For that, you can just click in here as mute and the sound will be silenced. Practical example. Imagine you add music to your presentation, but it's so loud that your narration is drowned out. By lowering the music volume and applying audio ducking, your voice becomes clear while the music still adds atmosphere. Why audio matters? Balanced audio ensures viewers stay engaged without straining to hear or being distracted. Music sets the mood, voiceovers add clarity, and adjustments make everything feel polished. Audio is what gives your video its emotional impact. Music sets the tone. Voiceovers provides clarity, and proper adjustment ensures your audience hears exactly what you want them to. When you balance visuals and sound, your videos move from good to unforgettable.